oscuro. It looks dark. Hey dolls, hey guys. Besos. Hola chicas, hola chicos. No sé por qué se ve oscuro. I don't know why it looks dark. It looks dark. I'm so sorry, you guys. I need to get... Maybe if I move this here. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. It looks dark. I feel like it looks dark. So please forgive me. Se ve oscuro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you guys. Se ve un poquito oscuro. Sorry, guys. It looks a little dark. Okay. Hi, dolls. Hey, guys. Welcome back. It's your girl, Vanessa. And on this video, I want to show you guys... What? Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Here it goes. This is new and it's available at Target. It's like a beauty box. And what I like about it is that it has stuff. If you're like me, I don't like to read. A mí no me gusta leer lo que está dentro. It has all the information. I'm assuming the price, ingredients, what they are. I just don't like it. I just like to be surprised. Dios mío, ¿qué fue? Está tronando. Coño. Jesús santísimo, está lloviendo duro. Epa. Uy. So, no me gusta leer lo que tiene adentro. Me gusta ser sorpresa. Quiero estar sorprendida. I just want to be shocked. I want to be surprised. So, yo no leo lo que está aquí. Pero aquí tiene los ingredientes, lo que es. Y me imagino lo que cuesta. Alright? So, I just like to be surprised. It's kind of cute. And it's like a lunchbox. It's like a lunchbox. This is adorable. It is like a lunchbox. And I don't know what's in here. So, I'm going to open it. Lo voy a abrir ahora. Wow. It's raining hard. Está lloviendo duro. Okay. And this is cute for somebody who's like into makeup or is about to get into makeup. Es bonito para la gente que le gusta mucho de cosas de belleza o que piensan hacer un kit, you know, como en cosas de belleza. Okay. No sé qué hay aquí. I don't know what's in here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So this is how it comes. I'm gonna be extremely careful. Ooh. Okay. That's how it comes. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Face mask. Ooh. Mascarilla para la cara. Dejar por 20 minutos. Ooh. Hasta que la máscara se seque. Leave it for 20 minutes until the mask dries out. I like that. Ooh. And it's peel off. You guys want to try it? I want to try. So it's right here. And I think that all the boxes are the same, but I'm not sure. So, yeah. Ooh, Olay. I like this. Body conditioner, shea butter. Voila. What is this? Hemp oil calming relief body oil. This is nice. And it's new. I have not seen that. And this is a regular size. That's a regular size right there. Can you guys see that? Regular size. Okay. I like that. Now, cocoa butter formula is really good. Palmer's, they're really good. With vitamin E, helping hemp oil. Calming relief body oil. I like that. Nice. Ooh, coconut and body lotion. Now, I love this. Este me gusta a mí. Este me gusta. Tiene los ingredientes. Ahí está. And that's the ingredients of what it has. And I love how this smells, so I'm happy that I got this because I love how it smells. Voila. What is this? Derma E Hydrating Eye Cream. Ooh, with green tea. I like that. That I like. Ese sí que me gusta a mí. El green tea. Y tiene vitamina E. Ese sí me gusta. Okay. Ooh. Mystery. Okay. It's kind of heavy too. It's kind of low. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to read. Ahora voy a tener que leer qué es esto. Espérate. Okay, I really don't know what is this for. Is this for the face? So I don't know what it's like. Is it glass? Maybe it's acrylic. It's possible it's acrylic. Please forgive me if you guys hear my dog. So it has this thing, which I really don't like, but I like it because it's protected. So I really don't like it, but then I like it. Okay. Ooh, my favorite. I just love this. And if you guys know me and have been following me, you guys know that I love the serum. Where is it? Right here. I like the blue one and the purple one. Okay. I like that. Si me siguen, saben que me encanta este, el azul y el morado. Pero en la cajita viene este. Está bonito. I like that. Okay, and here comes a brightening facial scrub. Ooh, okay. I like that, I like that, I like that. And these are like, some of them are samples, some of them are regular size, which I like. And I have been saying to you guys, if you guys want to try stuff for the first time, get travel size or samples, okay? We do give out samples, but because of COVID, a lot of things have changed, but we will be giving samples in the future. Or you get samples in the mail. Yeah. So, yeah. Sí, por COVID, sí no estoy dando samples ahora, pero pronto sí vamos a comenzar a dar samples otra vez. Siempre recomiendo que compren los travel size, ¿ok? Lo de viajar, los potes chiquitos, así que son así chiquititos. Y así lo pueden tratar por primera vez. Esto está bueno porque trae cosas chiquitas y size regular. Okay. Ooh, coupon. And you get a coupon of $5. I like that. $5 skincare and hair care, personal care. That's nice. When you spend $15. I like that. I like that. Okay, and the last one is Hair Food Avocado Argan Oil Hair Mask. And this is a good brand. A mí me encanta esta marca para el pelo. Es bien buena. Okay. So I like everything that I got in the box. But honestly, this, I don't understand what is this for. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Todo lo que trajo me encanta. Todo lo que trajo la caja me gusta. Pero no entiendo qué es esto. I don't understand what's this. So, it brings a pouch. Now, when you do facials, you know that marble ball or rolling ball or metal ball that you can roll your face? I'm assuming this is similar to this because it's like calming and it's cooling. That's what I'm gonna say it is. And you can go here. I don't know. I really don't know what it is. My dog is barking. If you guys know what is this, comment down the section. Let me know what it is, because honestly, I'm kind of lost of what is this. Like, I don't know what this is. So, esta caja es bien bonita para alguien que le encanta cosas de belleza o quiere comenzar con cosas de belleza. No sé qué le pasa a mi perro, pero me tiene loca. I don't know what's going on with my dog, but it's driving me crazy. So, I'm going to end up the video by saying, put your mask on, stay healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check this out. It's available at Target and Target online. So, on to my next video. Bye, guys. Hasta luego. No se te olvide tu máscara, okay?